Hey, hello everyone, welcome back again. Uh, in our previous two videos, we discussed about this TOR concept. Request you to watch those two videos. Then please come to this one. I'll provide you the link in the description, and I will try to share the playlist as well. Yeah. So now, see, in our previous video, we discussed that in case of the delivery block applied in the order and in the OBZ7 transaction code, for the delivery block, confirmation block is applied, then if the quantity is confirmed and the fixed date, quantity not confirmed, as delivery block is applied and confirmed quantity flag is enabled and fixed date quantity has been enabled as well. In this case as well, transfer requirement won't takes place. How come that the confirmation flag in the delivery block controls this functionality? In the sense, it's because of the requirement routine 101. So whenever this routine triggers, okay, in this routine, you see the code here, it's verifying the delivery block. There's LIFSK, EBAK table, and a TVLS is the table where, so TVLS is the table where we see the delivery block data along with the confirmation block as well. And if you see here, they are verifying the LIFSK and TVLS, LIFSP, and they are verifying the SPEBE. So this is the field which will hold the confirmation block. If you see here, this is the confirmation block for the delivery block wise. If that has been maintained, flag has been maintained, then system stop confirming the quantity. That means it will make the confirmed quantity as 0. So the config maintain and the relevant code also triggers and make that 0. And if reason for rejection has been set in the order item level, then transfer of requirement won't takes place. And if the sales order has been deleted or delivery items are removed from VBBS and VBBE, eventually these documents won't appear in MD04, CO06 and CO09. And whenever post goods issue completed for a delivery, then it should disappear from VBBE and VBBS. And moreover, if we want to remove the delivery from MD04, then just inactivating the requirement flag in the scheduling category won't fix that removal of delivery from MD04. That because there is no scheduling available in delivery. Scheduling is applicable only to sales order level only. To prevent displaying in MD04, we need to switch off the requirement assembly in requirement class. And as I mentioned in a previous video, to correct that inconsistencies data in MD04, we should run the report SDR QCR 21. And moreover, not all the data inconsistency data can be corrected by the report SDR QCR 21. There is one field in VBAP, that is SUMBD. So this field will hold the data of the individual requirements or total requirements, what we have seen in the previous video of OBZ2 config. If for any reasons this SUMBD field won't have any data, then inconsistencies happens definitely. It might be the config issue, or it might be a code issue in the user exit like MV45AFZZ, MV45AFZB. These two are sales order, and MV50AFZ1 for delivery user exits.